Hey, я Olga from Russian for Fun. Welcome to lesson 11 of my super easy Russian language course for absolute beginners. Here you learn Russian from scratch with me, a native speaker. These super easy Russian lessons make learning Russian fun and simple. By this point, we've already learned more than half of the Russian alphabet. Today, we'll continue to learn Russian alphabet. And by the end of the lesson, you'll know 2/3 of it. Ready for some Russian language learning? Let's go! Today, we are gonna master some phrases that start with I, he, she, and you, like I'm eating fish. He is eating fish. She is eating fish. And you are eating fish. To say those phrases, we first need to know the word fish. In Russian, it's рыба. 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 And again, рыба. Рыба. Once again, рыба. 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 Good. Now we are ready to read the phrase I'm eating fish. In Russian, that's я ем рыбу. Remember, in this phrase, the last letter of the word рыба changes from a to u. So we say рыбу instead of рыба. Let's read the phrase again. Я ем рыбу. One more time. Я ем рыбу. Let's say it again, but more naturally. Я ем рыбу. Now let's say he is eating fish. That's он ест рыбу. And again, он ест рыбу. The next phrase is she is eating fish. Let's read it in Russian. Она ест рыбу. Once again, она ест рыбу. And now the last phrase with the word рыба. You are eating fish. For this phrase, we'll need 2 new Russian letters. The first one looks a lot like the letter sha. Shh. Just look. It's pronounced sha. Shh. Shh. Is a hard sound, unlike the soft sh. The next letter is called the soft sign. Usually, it softens the letter before it, but in this case, it doesn't, because the letter sha, sh, is always hard. Here, the soft sign is just a grammar marker and nothing more. Okay, let's have a look at the phrase you are eating fish in Russian. Ты ешь рыбу. You see, the letter sha, sh, stays hard, no matter which letter comes after it. Let's repeat the phrase again. Ты ешь рыбу. And more naturally, ты ешь рыбу. Remember, phrases like ты ешь рыбу can mean both you are eating fish and you eat fish. Okay, let's try this phrase with another food. For example, banana. Let's say, I'm eating a banana. First, let's learn how to say banana in Russian. It's pretty easy. Банан. 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 Now let's use the word банан in our phrases. Я ем банан. Я ем банан. Я ем банан. Я ем банан. Remember what я ем банан means? Да, it means I'm eating a banana. Let's move on to the next phrase. He is eating a banana. Он ест банан. Он ест банан. Он ест банан. Он ест банан. Good. Now let's say the phrase She is eating a banana. Она ест банан. Она ест банан. Она ест банан. Она ест банан. Good. Now let's say you are eating a banana. That's ты ешь банан. Ты ешь банан. Ты ешь банан. Ты ешь банан. Great! The next food is cheese. Let's see how to say it in Russian. It's сыр. Let's use the word сыр in our phrases. Я ем сыр. Я ем сыр. Я ем сыр. Я ем сыр. The next phrase is he is eating cheese. Он ест сыр. Он ест сыр. Он ест сыр. Он ест сыр. And now let's say she is eating cheese. Она ест сыр. Она ест сыр. Она ест сыр. Она ест сыр. It's time to say you are eating cheese. Ты ешь сыр. Ты ешь сыр. Ты ешь сыр. Ты ешь сыр. Perfect. Now I'm gonna ask you some questions about what you eat. Like, do you eat cheese? The best thing about questions in Russian is that you just use a question intonation. And that's it. The question is ready. Listen carefully to how I ask a question using only intonation. Ты ешь сыр? And again, ты ешь сыр? Did you catch what I just asked? Да, I just asked. Do you eat cheese? You can answer this question with yes or no. Do you remember the Russian word for yes? That's right. It's да. Now let's learn the Russian word for no. We already know all letters in this word. Let's read it together. Нет. Нет. In the word нет, we have the letter e after the consonant n. N. So n becomes soft. N. 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 And the letter e sounds like e, not ye. So we have нет. Н, нет, не, нет. Again, нет means no. Let's get back to questions about the food you eat. I'm gonna ask you a question and you answer it with да or нет. Да or нет. Let's go. Ты ешь рыбу? Say да or нет. The next question is ты ешь сыр? Ты ешь щи? Ты ешь рис? Ты ешь утку? Ты ешь икру? Ты ешь лук? Ты ешь кускус? Ты ешь манго? Ты ешь брауни? Alright, it's time to wrap up for today. You did an amazing job and I'm really proud of you. Keep practicing and remember, Russian is easy. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video so more Russian learners can discover it too. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!